In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts in Confluence with draw.io. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add your draw.io diagram. This can be an existing page you're already working on or a new page you've just created. The important thing is to have the page open in edit mode so you can place the diagram exactly where you want it to appear. Once you're inside the page editor, click into the area where you want the flowchart to go, then type /draw.io and look through the suggestions that appear. Select the draw.io diagram option and a pop-up window will open. Give that pop-up a moment to fully load before doing anything else, because the available options will appear once it's ready. When the window loads, you'll have a couple of ways to begin. You can choose blank diagram if you want to build everything completely from scratch, or you can use one of the built-in templates to save time. For this example, we're using a template. On the left side of the pop-up, click Flowcharts to browse the available flowchart layouts. Once you find a template that fits what you need, click on it, then click Create. After that, the pop-up will reload and open the diagram editor directly inside Confluence. Now you can start customizing your flowchart. In the editor, use the left panel to find shapes and connectors, then drag them onto the canvas. If you want to modify an existing shape, just click on it. When it's selected, you'll see handles that let you resize or rotate it. If you need to remove something, select it and press Delete on your keyboard. To move any element to a different position, simply click and drag it. If you're working with text, double-click on the text inside a shape to highlight it, or manually select the specific text you want to change. Then type in your updated label or description. This is useful for adapting a template so it matches your own process or workflow. Whenever an object is selected, you'll also see formatting options on the right-hand side. These are organized into tabs such as Styles, Text, and Arrange. That panel lets you fine-tune the appearance and layout of your diagram without leaving the editor. Once you're happy with your flowchart, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Wait while the diagram saves. After it finishes saving, it will automatically be added to your Confluence page. And that's it. You've now created a flowchart in Confluence using draw.io.